cartoon and such puppets. That's it. When you want to buy one, you have to be good to get one. Tell your mom or your dad you want it. This is the other ones. And here's noise, guys. The puppet. They are good. And this noise is comfy and a strap. This is my new toy. And I like this. And it's awesome. You can pop him. And yeah, here's the other side. And yeah, they can pop too. This noise is and also satisfying. You want this? Tell your parents and be good. And don't do bad stuff. But these puppets are very awesome. Tell your tita, dad, or mom. So these cars are good price, and we like the toys, and yeah, satisfying. You get mad. So buy one of these, and so when you want one of these sorts, Fidget Toys Puppets, and you want to buy one.